Hi friends, it's Suzanne from Stampin.com here to welcome you back to the 12-part mini-series called Crafting at the Lake House. This event was held on September 25th, 2022 in Kelowna, BC, Canada. I partnered with my friend Terry Hamilton from Card Designs by Terry, and we created a really fun event for our local crafters. Of course, I filmed the making of all 12 cards, plus an additional 2 bonus card designs. I have been asked to sell the PDFs that were given to the attendees, and if you so desire, you can purchase them too for $10 Canadian. There's a link in the description box below. And many thanks and blessings to those of you who do. I appreciate you. All right, here we go with card number 5 of the Crafting at the Lake House series. I am featuring the stamp set called Jingle, 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 as well as a designer series paper called Celebrate Everything. I have some embossing equipment, and right now I am adhering my designer series paper, again called Celebrate Everything. It's a host product, and it's super cute. And I'm adhering that to a Parakeet Party mat. And then I'm going to adhere that all to my basic white thick card base. About half an inch in from the edge. Now I have Parakeet Party here, and I'm using my little sentiment strip there. I'm holding it just to as a place marker to where I'm going to put things. A Memento Tuxedo black ink for the strings. And then I am going to do some heat embossing. So I have used my embossing buddy, just smeared it on the paper there, tapped off the excess. I've inked up with my stamp with Versamark ink, which is a clear sticky ink that will hold on to the white embossing powder, and which I'm going to sprinkle on now. So I have my little tweezers here. I'm sprinkling on the powder. You can see my nice fancy new tray, which is delightful, and my new tweezers. Now I'm heat embossing. I let my heat tool heat up for a good few minutes before I took it to my project. And now I am putting dimensionals on the back and adhering that in the card in between the Christmas baubles. So you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section or the supply section of my blog. Those fast links will take you to my Canadian online store. I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.